However, if you read the article for today, here, I try to just find a very interesting article for AV class. What happened? Accounting deals in China cost a firm is registration. Nothing wrong, okay, nothing wrong if your CPA firm, you work for any overseas company. Nothing wrong. However, this CPA firm, they lose their license. They lose their registration. Okay, by the way, in order to become the auditor, you must pass state level CPA exam and you receive your CPA license. Then you practice for 2 years to get your license fully certified. Then you register with SEC. Then you can start to auditing. And you can sign your signature after you check line by line, number by number, account by account, statement by statement. Then you sign your name there. When you sign your name in, you will be responsible for the financial statement. You certify, you audited this statement, you say, I done everything, I check every number, and I certify every information here, they are true and legal. Alright? However, this company, guess, what did they do? You cannot imagine. Okay, this company is one CPA firm based in Buffalo, New York, and they register with SEC, so there's no problem. Even though this company is not Big Four, but they are eligible to sign off for every public company for their annual report or quarterly report. However, from this article, you can see some of the overseas companies, say from Taiwan, from China, not surprisingly from any other country, approach this CPA firm and say, our company headquarters is based in overseas, in China, in Taiwan, in India. However, our stock registered in the United States. You heard about this, right? You're a foreign company. You're a foreign company. I know so many public companies in Taiwan, in China, in Japan, in Germany. They are not a US company. They are foreign company. However, they can register their stock in the United States. So their stock could be traded at Wall Street. Alright? So those companies approach this CPA firm and say, we are foreign company. However, our stock registered in the United States. So how about let's do this? Our people will complete everything. We will do the hard job for you. Okay? We will prepare everything from scratch. Then we will complete our final statement. For your company, just make easy money. We just pay you the certain fee. You don't have to spend any effort. You just sign your name, then we pay you. That's easy money, right? You don't need to do anything. You don't have to come in to spend hours, check line by line, number by number, statement by statement. You just endorse, sign your name, and you get paid. Easy, right? But see what happened? It is illegal. You cannot do that. If your name has been signed on any statement, you have to follow out the procedure to complete your auditing. You cannot just endorse your name there. So this article is very, very short, but just give us at least some sense what this auditing should be. Eventually, for those of you, I can imagine some of you may be interested to get involved more accounting business. And you can go to any city college, okay, to take all of the necessary courses. All of city colleges around Bay Area, they provide a complete accounting course. Once you complete the certain hours, I believe it's around 150 hours, 175 hours. Each course may be like 3 or 4 or even 5 hours. you complete that, so it's around like I would say around like 30 courses. You complete around 30 courses, you will be entitled to take CPA exam. And auditing is one of the major course. Auditing is one of the area will be tested in the CPA exam. Very important because this is the most important job. No any other job can do the auditing. Only CPA. Yes.
In China and Taiwan, when they do business, lots of them are in cash, and they're not through the bank. How are you able to bookkeeping those things?
It's very tough, right? Very good questions to raise. Because around the world, all the financial systems different from the one in the United States. For example, in Taiwan, even in China, even today, there is no personal check. I just cannot imagine. But since they cannot imagine, we use personal check, right? Because you can imagine, in this market, if you use personal check, almost every check's gonna be bounced. There's no guarantee the check will be really cashed through the bank system. That's really the problem, right? So you raise the very good issue. If in one society, if in any certain economy, community, everybody use cash, how can you audit it, right? If you spend $100, you just come back, report $200. I think this is still very popular in Taiwan. That is a scheme eventually. That's a big problem. Say for example, just to give you totally mega story. Say if a school, public school, they want to build out one auditorium, okay, build out one brand new building. You can imagine for those contractors that come in, they can just write you the receipt, say $2 million. Eventually, you only spend $1 million. That is a very popular practice. No, I try not to criticize any society, but in some society, they're still very popular. That is how the people make money. On the table money. You know, you can imagine for those people, if they sit in that position, they make profit a lot. I don't have the answer.
So this company,
Still be
even
honest.
they really do some real
Right. But let me put it this way: if this CPA firm, they have done due diligence, say, you want to hire me as an auditor? Okay, I need to spend my time coming in to check, line by line, number by number. I spend my time. Even the information were wrong, they don't have an application. They don't have any responsibility. You understand? The responsibility of any auditor just check the number. Also, they need to verify if the entry are fully comply with the guidance. Say, for example, here this is one. Let me see. Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. You see the name? It's a very long name there. Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. The initial is PCAOB. Very, very long name. This is under the SEC. Okay, this organization is under the SEC, and they just oversight, right? Supervise whether or not the auditing is. But just cannot imagine, right? Even in the United States, and some, even though this is not big four, I believe this is a middle-sized CPA firm. They still would like to take the risk. So you pay me the money, I just sign my name. I would say how stupid it is. You know, the license is so valuable, and this company just made a decision to take the risk and done the thing illegal. I just could not imagine that, to be honest. But you know, this article just let us know, you know, auditing is not just cite the name. You need to do your due diligence to complete your job. All right?
How did they find out?
How did they find out? I don't know. Somebody reported. Somebody reported, you know. Anything is probably somebody reported. I don't know the story.
They can open a new firm, right? Is this company?
Oh, okay.
You
Yes.
go
He
on
asked
this-
what happened if this company closed. Usually, if they close down one company, they also revoke the personal license. So at least from this article, we know one person is responsible for it, but
So
the other
one
people
person
probably
takes the fall.
we just sacrifice one person, and the other partner just got away. I don't know. There's no story. Just not my business. Okay, let's start from for today. Let's see.